Plant FAQs, Begonia Red Bull. Begonia Red Bull, FAQs by Vu. As a passionate plant enthusiast, I frequently encounter the stunning Begonia Red Bull. With its fiery foliage and captivating presence, it's no wonder this houseplant ignites curiosity. Today, I'll address some of the most common questions regarding the Begonia Red Bull, hoping to fuel your own fascination. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Red Bull? The Begonia Red Bull is a captivating hybrid belonging to the Rex begonia family. Developed by the Dutch horticulturist Antoon Hoefnagels, this Rex begonia boasts an ornamental display unlike any other. What makes the Begonia Red Bull special? The true magic lies in its foliage. Unlike its Rex begonia cousins, the Red Bull features a spectacular display of metallic red leaves. Imagine a fiery red sunset captured on a velvety surface. That's the essence of this begonia. The vibrant red is further accentuated by a darker zone near the petiole, leaf stalk, and a wavy, sometimes slightly darker, margin. It's a visual masterpiece that thrives indoors, adding a touch of drama to any space. How does the Begonia Red Bull differ from other Rex begonias? While all Rex begonias are known for their stunning foliage, the Red Bull stands out for its color. The metallic red hue is unique and eye-catching. Additionally, the Red Bull tends to have smaller leaves compared to some Rex begonias, making it a great choice for those with limited space. Is the Begonia Red Bull difficult to care for? The Begonia Red Bull isn't overly fussy, but it does have specific preferences. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Partial shade is ideal. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while insufficient light can lead to leggy growth. Water. Consistent, moderate watering is crucial. Aim for moist, but not soggy soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Humidity is a friend to the Begonia Red Bull. Grouping it with other plants or using a humidifier can create a more favorable environment. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Well-draining, slightly acidic potting mix is essential. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. How big does the Begonia Red Bull get? The Begonia Red Bull typically grows to a height of 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters, with a similar spread. Its compact size makes it a great choice for tabletops, shelves, or terrariums. Does the Begonia Red Bull flower? While the foliage is the true star of the show, the Begonia Red Bull may produce small, inconspicuous flowers throughout the year. These flowers are not particularly showy and can be removed if desired to promote healthy foliage growth. How do I propagate the Begonia Red Bull? Propagation is a great way to expand your begonia collection. The Red Bull can be propagated through leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a portion of the petiole attached, plant it in moist potting mix, and maintain consistent moisture. With patience, you'll witness new growth emerge. Where can I buy a Begonia Red Bull? Finding a Begonia Red Bull might require some searching. However, with a little effort, you can locate it at specialized plant nurseries, online retailers, or plant enthusiasts selling on gardening forums. Final thoughts. The Begonia Red Bull is a captivating houseplant that injects a fiery touch of drama into any indoor space. Its relatively easy care requirements make it suitable for even novice plant owners. With proper attention to light, water, and humidity, you can enjoy the vibrant foliage of the Begonia Red Bull for years to come. So, if you're looking for a unique and visually striking houseplant, consider adding the Begonia Red Bull to your collection.